Hey everyone, it's Eric here from MacBook. Got another video for you guys today. Hope you guys are all doing well. We got this one. Well, I gotta cover up the name, but there's a name there. But oh man, this one, it's one of my favorite ones. It's one of the ones we have so many videos on the channel fixing. This is your A1466 MacBook. Not only is it a little bit older, there has been repair work on it. It's worked for a little bit, the customer said, and then it stopped working. And apparently there was some board type work on it, so we're gonna be taking a look at that. This model fortunately doesn't have a soldered SSD, does have a soldered RAM, does have a CPU there, but there's no firmware to worry about. There's no T2 to worry about. It's a straightforward MacBook board, and we're interested in seeing what we can do to repair it today. So let's open it up. Okay, so let's remove it. Let's take a look here, see if you notice anything. It's always hard to see. So let's take the palm rest area and let's go over to the microscope over here. We're taking the palm rest over also because we saw that there was a little bit of a dark spot on where the touchpad is. So let's go over here. Oh, my mouse is over here too. Let's go under the microscope. Let's see what's going on. The cable looks, so we look at the trackpad and the cable looks to be fine there. Or fine as in, yeah, it looks fine. There's a little bit of like a scratch along the side of it, which is fine. There's no burn. That's what I was a little bit worried about. And this is your trackpad connection. It looks dark, a little bit dark, so it's not too bad, it looks like. It rusted a little bit, but it looks pretty clean for the most part. Not too bad. Maybe it was already cleaned off. That looks fine. There was definitely an impact around that area. And that's very good that the trackpad cable itself was fine. Good. So something else we noticed, and we see this over here. Oh man, look at that. That's a corroded cap. All right, so that's not fixed. So it looks like that maybe there might have been a little clean because you can see around this area. Oh no, this is gone. This is kind of gone too. Is it? Look at the pad underneath. This is just dirty. Maybe we can just clean this up. But that's an area, and look at this. Ooh, here we go. This is your fixed area, isn't it? This doesn't look natural. And you see how this is like shifted to the side a little bit? It's a little bit more shinier than the other ones. Yeah, because that's not natural. We see how perfect all these are. So this is probably your replaced component. Or maybe this one. This is flux. So this has been fluxed up this area. And you do that and you didn't see the other component? Okay. Oh man, we even have like something around the RAM. Oh, that's not good. Maybe just a lot of alcohol everywhere. Because even people who fix, they use a lot of alcohol, not just drinkers. This is your battery connection, right? There's other caps here. You have your trackpad area, which has your power button. You have your keyboard, and then you have some just random corrosion just hanging out here. There we go. Oh man, we're lucky the pad came up. Heck, it smells like maybe like maple or cinnamon. I think it's maple. We smell like maple syrup there. Maybe that's what that was. And man, the pads look great on it, doesn't it? You also want to clean too to make sure there's no problem with it. Even though Flux does usually a pretty good job, but you still want to make sure that the surface itself is good. I don't know why I'm explaining that on a very straightforward type of repair, but it's fine. You guys are interested, right? That's why you guys are watching this. You guys want to know fixing stuff. So let's put it back. There we go. All right, looks cleaned up. Oh, there's another area. Whoa, okay. All right, so we have this area, and I found yet another problem. And this is good, because I was just doing another visual inspection after I did this, and we found another area. Looks like a little resistor that's been a little slightly corroded. But it doesn't look that bad. This is very important for this area to be good. So since this is a problem, we're going to go ahead and remove it. Especially if it's impacted. We just don't want to take a chance on it. Okay. Okay. There we go. All right, that looks good. All right, let's plug it in. And power's on. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video on doing the repair on this legacy MacBook Air. If you guys are interested in sending in your MacBook for repair or for data recovery or anything else, we are located right outside of Washington, D.C., Northern Virginia. We have a mail-in service. If you guys are interested in that, it's on our website. You can go check out the links in the description for how you can mail in your device to us for us to do repair for you, or especially on the newer MacBooks, data recovery. So thanks again for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.